3D models for visual effects films, game design projects, and 3D animation films. Also, I develop 3D content and models for AR, VR, MR projects. These all 3D temples and temple assets are designed for completely commercial standards visual effects films, commercial standards game design projects. I have designed out many assets and many models. You can see some of the samples in this video and some of the samples and demos on below links also. If you are planning to develop commercial standards game design projects or commercial standards visual effects films and all, I'm here to help you to design and develop the best high quality, high accuracy, high precise 3D content, 3D assets, 3D VFX for your game designing or VFX films. Generally, I have two types of client pipelines. First pipeline, the first type of client pipeline is generally I receive the reference and photographs and blueprints and pencil artwork from the client side. So based on the reference and photographs, pencil artwork, I develop the 3D content in softwares. Okay, and the second one is in this scenario the clients, they don't provide any reference, any blueprints or pencil artwork. Simply they will tell the scenario, this is the scene, this is the theme, this is the look and feel we want. So that time I do some research, that comes under visual experience, game experience and user audience experience. So I do research what kind of theme, what kind of color to be used, what kind of assets, what kind of 3D models to use, what kind of look and feel, all these things I do research and then I prepare a document and put across the clients and all, then I start working on it. So these are two pipelines I have, and in the second one I do research all these things. It consumes a lot of time and it consumes also needs more lot of brain work and thought process need to be used here. If you are developing commercial game design projects or commercial VFX projects, I can contribute these all 3D temple models and temple assets for your game designing and VFX project and all. Generally, I have designed based on my reference and my requirements. I have designed these all models and all. But these models, these temple assets and temples models and all, really good for visual effects films and game design projects and all. Still, if you want me to edit or change any texture or you want me to edit shape, you want me to add some extra textures, or you want me to add some extra design temples and all, I'll edit and I'll hand it to you. Or you want me to design and different assets, different game assets or VFX assets and all, I will do it. I'm here to help you any kind of 3D content designing and 3D modeling work and character designing and all, and assets and medical designing, mechanical models and assets, whatever it is 3D related work, everything we will do it here. These models are really good, and I have used all the industry standards parameters such as like PBR validation and CZ parameters to match real-time parameters in height, width, in feet or meter, and good line flow and mesh flow and all, and so optimization, file size optimization, all the things I have used and many more I have used it. And these models are really good in Unreal Engine or Unity, and also you can use these models are really good in Maya and other 3D softwares and all, really good.